what's up? What's up? What's up? For those of you that are new here, my name is Alethea and welcome to my channel. So what's up, you guys? How's it going in these quarantined times? Yes. I don't even know what day we're on, so I'm not even gonna try to tell you guys what day we're on. I know some people say we're on quarantine day so-and-so in the videos. I hadn't counted it up. I don't even know. I just know I'm glad that I'm still living. I'm glad that I'm still surviving. I'm glad that I am here. How about that? All right, so with that being said, I'm back in to talk about my Sisterlocks. So I can tell you today is the 13th, Monday, April the 13th, and I don't know what day this video is going to get posted, but it's going to get posted this week. But I am officially 10 months into my Sisterlock journey. 2 more months and I will be 1 year in this thing. So I am officially 10 months and I am going to show you my hair, but I don't have a retightening, but I'm going to show it to you. So with that being said, let's go ahead and do this 360. Y'all, so that's my 360. So let me tell y'all, the reason my hair is this super duper curly like this, it is so curly right now. I don't even know how I'm feeling about it because I like my hair to be straighter. But anyway, it is so curly like this because Saturday night I did my shampoo and I just took the twist out once I finished putting this makeup on. So, and today's Monday, of course, I've already said that. So that is why my hair is in this state. So I'm going to talk about my previous video in regards to me combining my locks. But first, before I do that, let me tell you guys about my hair and the condition it's in right now. So as far as my locks go, they still look the same. I think when I look back and think about the swelling aspect of my hair, I probably saw that around month 6, 7, something like that. But it's probably been about the same because my hair, even though it looks like it's a full, I guess you could say, and sometimes depending on how clean it is, it looks really flat. But when it comes to the size of my locks, they are not swelling. My locks are not locked at all. I don't see any budding. I see nothing. So let me show y'all. So some of y'all may say that y'all see budding in my hair when my hair is a certain way, and you all say my locks are swelling and thickening up, but I promise you guys, they're not. They are like, they're still thin. Like, now these right here are bigger because this is the middle of my head. But as I said in my previous video, some of them are super duper tiny. Super duper tiny to where they look like little toothpicks. That's what I don't like. And nothing is going to change that. Is, you know, like I showed y'all. Let me go and show you another one. Show you some on this side. Like, nothing's going to change that. Nothing that anybody says or what have you is going to change the fact that some of them are super duper tiny. And while that may be what some people like, I just think that some of them are super duper tiny and they're too small for me. For me. This is my head. Okay, so with that being said, when it comes to my head, and I don't want to seem like I'm just being rude when I say what I'm about to say, but sometimes you just have to say things. When I come on my channel, when I turn this camera on to make a video for my channel, I am sharing what I want to share. And one thing I don't do is share lies. I don't share things to where I'm going to make anyone look bad. I don't share anything where it'll seem like I'm trying to disrespect someone or anything like that. I share real, true life information. And sometimes some people, if they don't pay attention, a lot of times, whether it's on the video or in person, get things twisted. Now, I'm one of those people that I don't like confrontations. I don't like mess. I don't like anything that's going to cause confusion in any realm of my life. And when things cause confusion, especially when something is not meant to cause confusion, I don't like that. And it gets on my nerves and I can't stand it. And it makes me be like, so with that being said, when someone decides to share whatever it is that I'm saying on my channel, make sure that you understand what I'm saying and how I'm saying it. And don't try to make it seem like I'm saying something in a negative way or I'm twisting what someone has said, because that doesn't happen here. That's not what I'm going to do. Because if I don't 100% understand something, I'm not going to speak on it. That's not what I do. Also, I did not know in my little city that there were people here following me, other than people that I, talk to or whatever, because other than a few people don't tell me they watch my channel. I got friends, I got family members that don't even watch my channel, don't support my channel, don't care about my channel. So when someone speaks about little old me, I appreciate it, but please make sure that you understand and get a full grasp of what I'm saying on my channel. Another thing in regards to my last video, some people were like, don't combine your locks. There were different kind of mixed comments when it came to my hair, but people for the most part were supportive of me when I said, or when I expressed my feelings about my hair and the size and me going to get it done and all that kind of stuff. And let me say this right here. When it comes to my hair, no one, absolutely no one has given me a hand up or a handout on my hair. I take care of my hair myself, meaning I pay for it. I paid for it from the beginning. I pay for whatever gets done to it now or what have you. So in the big scheme of things, whatever it is that I decide to do with my hair, it's my hair that I have paid my money to maintain and to keep up. And if at the end of the day something happens with it, it's my hair. I can cut it off, start all over again, whatever the case may be. So, but with that being said, when I said something about combining my locks, I wasn't talking about combining them to make them like traditional locks. I'm talking about taking some of these, like these two locks right here, for instance. These two locks. See how thin they are? Spaghetti noodle locks. That's what I'm calling them, spaghetti noodle locks. Angel hair pasta locks. I'm talking about taking something like these two and twist these two together to make a bigger lock. That's still not real big, but it's bigger than what it was. I'm not talking about taking 4 or 5 locks and putting them together. That's not what I'm talking about doing. I'm just talking about taking these locks, and because my hair is fragile, I'm 46 years old. I've lived with this hair all of my life, whether it's I've cut it, grown it, cut it, grown it. My hair has always grown back the same, fragile and thin strands, fine strands. It's not the softest hair, but it's definitely not the hardest or coarsest hair. So I've had to deal with this hair, so I know my hair is a bit fragile. And just like this lock right here, the one that I told you guys about, I did go ahead and I twisted this one. You can't see that right there. I twisted it with another lock because it just seemed like it was going to just come off, and I just did not want that lock to come off. So no, I'm not saying that I'm trying to get away from the Sisterlock brand, because no, I'm not. I'm just saying that I want some of my locks combined so they won't be so small and fragile. That's probably it on that. So in regards, and I know this video may have seemed like in some parts I've come off kind of strong, and I don't want to do that in my videos. That's never been the goal of me in any of my videos, as long as I've been on YouTube, to come off some type of way with people. But what I want people to know at the end of the day, when you're sharing things, you're opening yourself up and you're putting yourself out there. But what you're not putting yourself out there for is for someone to take what you've said and try to make it seem like you're doing something in a vicious manner, or you're trying to defamate someone's character or name or something like that. No, that's never been my goal. Never have done that and never will do that, because that's not me and that's not what I do. So in regards to that, I think that's it for this one. So thank you so much for coming to check out another video. I do have a video coming up about my locks and what I've decided to do when it comes to my locks, as far as combining them and as far as doing my retightenings myself, because I have made a definitive decision. And in the last video I told you all I wasn't sure, but I have made a definitive decision. And I will tell you that some of what I talked about has helped me make that decision. So with that being said, I do appreciate you coming to check out another video on my channel. Please go ahead, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead, comment, like, and share this video across all your social media sites. So until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye. Some habits just creep back up on me.